How to enable and disable notification in JustMarkets application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. To manage notifications in JustMarkets so that you can stay informed about important security alerts, activity alerts, trading updates, and so on, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open the JustMarkets application on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap the menu button. On the next page, go ahead and select the gear icon at the top right, and you will notice notification setting button at the top of the screen. Just select that. And on the next page, choose which notification you'd like to receive, such as if you want to receive account updates, tap on account updates. Similarly, if you want other notifications, you can choose the same you want from the menu. Now, make sure that these buttons are turned on if you want to enable notification. If you've currently disabled notification from your device, you'll see this Set Now button at the top. Simply tap on that. It'll take you to your device's settings menu, and here you can see the notifications tab. Just click that and toggle on the button right next to allow notifications. Now, from your application for JustMarket, you can customize which alert you want to receive and which alert you don't want. Just select one of the options and make sure that the button is turned on for the type of alerts you want to receive on your device. Now, if you want to disable the alerts, then you can just find one of the options from here. And for example, if you don't want alerts for trading activity and updates, you can turn off the push and in-app alert buttons. Similarly, you can do this for others as well if you don't want the alerts, and that's how you can turn on and off the notification alerts or notification setting inside your JustMarkets application. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.